Yeah, you are audible, yes. And you may start. You don't
Okay,
have to wait. You may start.
thank you, sir. Don't be dismayed by goodbyes. A farewell is necessary before you can meet again. And meeting again after moments or lifetimes is certain for those who are friends. Good evening, one and all present here. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our HOD Arbisa, our respected teachers, and most importantly to my beloved seniors whom we bid farewell today. Welcome to Despedida 2021. Thanks a bunch for joining us on this special day. Today, you may smile or even cry, but forgetting these memories, you dare not try. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom. It was the age of foolishness. It was the epoch of belief. It was the epoch of incredulity. It was the season of light. It was the season of darkness. It was the spring of hope. It was the winter of despair. We had everything before us. We had nothing before us. We were all going direct to heaven. We were all going direct the other way. I thought it appropriate to quote from Charles Dickens to address my dear seniors today. The past 1.5 years has been the best of times and the worst of times. You are the senior-most batch in college. You are the leaders, the ones with the most responsibility, the ones others aspire to be like. But it is also the worst of times. You are the coronials, the graduating students who have faced the pandemic. You have had disrupted college life. You have had the final year of college like nobody else. You are not alone. We who joined the college last year have faced our crucial first year of college with months at home online learning that can never replace face-to-face in what is an important year of college. Yet, like us, you have faced this adversity with positivity, with creativity, with resilience, and with a quote-unquote can-do spirit. So, as you look back on your college days, today is not just a celebration of your much awaited graduation degree, but it is a celebration of your entire college journey. We wish to make this day a memorable one for all you lovely people. Without much ado, let us begin Despedida 2021. Small cheer and great welcome make a merry feast, says William Shakespeare. May I now request the same two students to welcome these gorgeous ladies. So buckle up and put the volumes on.
Shumona, I think some of your seniors are trying to join. Can you please check?
All right, sir. Sir, I think by mistake I just denied the entry for two of them. So could you please
Yeah, yeah, I'll
request them
let
to
them know.
join again? Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I'll let them
It's time to say goodbye, but I think goodbyes are sad. So I'd much rather say hello. Hello to a new adventure. Charles Dickens had rightly said, the pain of parting is nothing to the joy of meeting again.
To begin with, we would like to congratulate all our dear seniors for the successful completion of their journey in this college.
Yes, we couldn't be privileged enough to know and to interact with our versatile seniors and get a guidance which we believe would have been more than just helpful.
But on this special day, we feel glad to be able to arrange a virtual farewell for you. We have left no stone unturned to make this day a memorable one for you.
Although this is not how we expected it to be, due to the unprecedented times brought about by COVID-19, we had to arrange a farewell party for our seniors through this online mode.
Perhaps nobody else except the batch of 2021 can ever feel how heart-rendering is it to not being able to receive an offline farewell for which we planned the dress codes since the very first year of college.
You and we are perhaps on the same boat. You lost the last half of the adventurous college life, and we are on the verge of the first half.
It seems that you joined the college only yesterday, isn't it?
And today you have bags of memories to cherish throughout your life.
Right from your freshers party to the classroom fun, annual sports, inter-college competition, celebrating International Mother Language Day.
Giving freshers to your juniors and to all the golden eventful days, it has been a wonderful journey.
From the day we return to college, all your memories will be kept forever on the walls of Rani Birla.
It is this day when you have a mixed feeling. At one time, you feel elated, and at the same time, you feel dejected.
To make this day a memorable one for you, we have taken all sorts of precaution to conduct various events and surprises
that will surely make this day a day to remember and something that will remain in your memory forever.
This farewell will be an emotional roller coaster for you, which includes cherishing of memories, happiness, sadness,
the unhappiness of leaving your friends and this beautiful campus.
A farewell is a celebration to celebrate your success and wish the seniors well.
But today we want you to wish us as well so that we be as great as you all.
As students, you made Rani Birla Girls College proud.
Now, it's our responsibility to carry forward the legacy.
Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end.
We wish you all the success in life and may you have a bright future ahead.
Good luck for the new beginning.
Rani Birla will still remain your second home, and you will always be remembered, dear seniors.
Before you guys get too bored, we would like to conclude this speech by saying that we have put our best efforts
to take you back to the memory lane and create a sense of nostalgia.
We hope we don't disappoint you.
So sit back and enjoy the rest of the program.
Yes, Shomana, before we proceed, just let's pause for a moment and just ensure that the others have entered. Right? Just take a minute.
All right, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, Sem 6 students, those of you who are here, have your friends been able to enter, or are they still struggling? Just please check on them once.
No, sir, they are not able to join, especially Ankita and Somishri.
Sir, I think I did not receive any notification yet. Yes, I got somebody.
I think once you deny the accounts, you cannot again let them in.
Okay, if that is the case, I guess we can go for another solution if you are all up to it. Shomana, how about you create a fresh link and you share it with me, and I'll share it with Sem6 and the other teachers as well, because SD ma'am also told me that she's trying to join but was unable to. Can you do that?
All right, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
just
Sure,
create a
sure.
fresh link, send it to me, I'll send it over to everyone else.
Okay,
All
sir.
right.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Sem6, I hope that's all right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, no problem.
Yeah. I think this worked, and I hope I'm audible. So, yes, I think we can start again.
Okay, sir. Sir, should we restart from beginning?
Yeah, I think many of them missed quite a bit. So perhaps.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Don't be dismayed by goodbyes. A farewell is necessary before you can meet again. And meeting again after moments or lifetimes is certain for those who are friends. Good evening, one and all present here. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our HOD Arbisa, our respected teachers, and most importantly to my beloved seniors whom we bid farewell today. Welcome to Desperida 2021. Thanks a bunch for joining us on this special day. Today you may smile or even cry, but forgetting these memories, you dare not try. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness. It was the epoch of belief, it was the epoch of incredulity. It was the season of light, it was the season of darkness. It was the spring of hope, it was the winter of despair. We had everything before us. We had nothing before us. We were all going to heaven. We were all going direct the other way. I thought it appropriate to quote from Charles Dickens to address my dear seniors today. The past 1.5 years has been the best of times and the worst of times. You are the senior most batch in college. You are the leaders, the ones with the most responsibility, the ones others aspire to be like. But it is also the worst of times. You are the coronials, the graduating students who have faced the pandemic. You have had disrupted college life. You have had the final year of college like nobody else. You are not alone. We who joined the college last year have faced our crucial first year of college with months at home, online learning that can never replace face-to-face in what is an important year of college. Yet like us, you have faced this adversity with positivity, with creativity, with resilience, and with a quote-unquote can-do spirit. So as you look back on your college days, today is not just a celebration of your much-awaited graduation degree, but it is a celebration of your entire college journey. We wish to make this day a memorable one for you, all lovely people. Without much ado, let us begin Despedida 2021. Small cheer and great welcome make a merry feast, says William Shakespeare. May I now request the same two students to welcome these gorgeous ladies. So buckle up and put the volumes on.
It's time to say goodbye. But I think goodbyes are sad. I'd much rather say hello. Hello to a new adventure.
Charles Dickens had rightly said, the pain of parting is nothing to the joy of meeting again.
To begin with, we would like to congratulate all our dear seniors for the successful completion of their journey in this college.
Yes, we couldn't be privileged enough to know and to interact with our versatile seniors and get a guidance which we believe would have been more than just helpful.
But on this special day, we feel glad to be able to arrange a virtual farewell for you.
Have left no stone unturned to make this day a memorable one for you.
Although this is not how we expected it to be, Due to the unprecedented times brought about by COVID-19, we had to arrange a farewell party for our seniors through this online mode.
Perhaps nobody else except the batch of 2020 can ever feel how heart-rendering is it to not being able to receive an offline farewell for which we planned the dress codes since the very first year of college.
You and we are perhaps on the same boat. You lost the last half of the adventurous college life, and we are on the verge of the first
It seems that you joined the college only yesterday, isn't it?
Today you have bags of memories to cherish throughout your life.
Right from your freshers party to the classroom fun, annual sports, inter-college competition, celebrating International Mother Language Day,
Giving freshers
Girls, I think there's been some connectivity issue. Just let's take a moment.
So am I audible?
Yes, you are.
So was there any connectivity issue regarding the video? Was it was it disrupting?
Yeah, it was, buffering at times. I think it was the same for everyone else. So can you just check the connection, and maybe perhaps we can skip that part right now. I think everyone got the hang of it maybe.
Alright, so I think it did not occur at the first time when I played the video.
Yeah.
Alright.
First time was all right.
Thank you everyone for the warm welcome. Yes, sir. Thank you everyone for the warm welcome. At this very day, you must be feeling proud of yourselves, for you have battled with extraordinary times and still succeeded with flying colors. You must be grateful to all those important people in your life without whom we all would have been nowhere. So why not take a journey in a nutshell to visit and show gratitude for their unparalleled contributions?
नहीं बात कर रहे थे.
I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, it is.
Thank you, sir.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'm telling you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see कभी बतलाती नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरती हूँ मैं माँ। यूं तो मैं दिखलाती नहीं, तेरी परवाह करती हूँ मैं माँ। तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ। भीड़ में यूं न छोड़ मुझे, घर लौट के भी आना पाऊँ माँ। भेजना इतना दूर मुझको तो, याद भी तुझको आना पाऊँ माँ। क्या इतनी बुरी हूँ मैं माँ, क्या इतनी बुरी मेरी माँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगी बेटी हमारी, ऐसा काम करेगी। मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगी। पुरानी जीन्स और गिटार, मोहल्ले की वो छत और मेरे यार, वो रातों को जागना, सुबह घर जाना, खुद के दीवार, पहुंचना कॉलेज हमेशा लेट, वो सर का कहना get out from the class, वो बाहर जाके हमेशा कहना यहाँ का सिस्टम ही है खराब। वो जाके कैंटीन में टेबल बजा के वो गाने गाना यारों के साथ। बस यादें 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 रह जाती है, बस छोटी छोटी बातें रह जाती है। बस यादें 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 रह जाती है, बस छोटी छोटी बातें रह जाती है। बस यादें नरपन का वो पहला प्यार, वो लिखना हाथों पे A+ वो खिड़की से झांकना, वो लिखना लेटर उन्हें बार बार, वो देना तोहफे में सोने की बालियां, वो लेना दोस्तों से पैसे उधार। बस यादें 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 रह जाती है, बस छोटी छोटी बातें रह जाती है। बस यादें शायद कभी न कह सकूं मैं तुमको, कहे बिना समझ लो तुम शायद। शायद मेरे ख्यालों में तुम एक दिन मिलो मुझे कहीं पे गुम शायद। जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं। ना चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा तुमसे कम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो तो हम भी हम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो तो हम भी हम नहीं। ना चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा तुमसे कम नहीं। मेरी जीत तेरी हार मेरी हार, सुन मेरे यार। तेरा गम मेरी जा तेरी जा, ऐसा अपना प्यार। जहाँ पे भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए ले लेंगे, जहाँ पे भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए सबसे दुश्मनी, ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। শোনো আমরা কি সবাই বন্ধু হতে পারি না, যত পুরনো অতীত ভুলে যেতে পারি না। জানি হতাশে দিনে সুপ্ত ছিল চেতনা, আসলে তুচ্ছ সে বিবাদ অবদমিত বেদনা। শোনো আমরা কি সবাই, শোনো আমরা কি সবাই বন্ধু হতে পারি না, যত পুরনো অতীত
অনেকটা ফালতু
ভুলে
आ
যেতে
रहा है यार।
পারি না। জানি হতাশে দিনে সুপ্ত ছিল চেতনা, আসলে তুচ্ছ সে বিবাদ অবদমিত
ओ भाई मत गो
বেদনা।
मत गो मत गो, अच्छा नहीं लग
শোনো
रहा, मत गो।
আমরা কি সবাই, শোনো আমরা কি সবাই
बहुत घटिया है, कोई कुछ भी नहीं बोलेगा।
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। ना 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 na 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 na.
Don't love it, you.
Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
दीदी बहुत घटिया गा रहे हो, बंद कर दो।
Give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
Well, it is now time to get on the dance floors and show some tumkas and swag. Next we have a dance performance compiled just for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's get on this way. Is the audio audible?
Shomana, please go ahead and
I think
remove
yes,
anyone who is
sir.
disrupting.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Just a minute.
What happened? Who is removing me, huh?
I hope it will be okay now, sir.
Yes, yes, you go ahead.
Thanks, Ishani, for your phenomenal steps. हम रहे या ना रहे कल, पल याद आएंगे ये पल. Indeed so. Now it's time for some melody and sweet remembrance.
To the beautiful journey that you have spent in RBGC and all the times when you have walked together with the smile on the साथ हम जो चले बन गए काफिले और कोई हमें अब मिले ना मिले मौज है रोज है रोगी सभी ना ये रुकते कभी सिलसिले रहे या ना रहे कल याद आएंगे पल ये है प्यार के पल चल हाँ मेरे संग चल चल चुरा के रहूं रोशनी, हवाओं से चुरा के रहूं रागिनी, ना पूरी हो सकेगी उनसे मगर तेरी कमी मैं अगर, मज़ारों से चुरा के लाऊं बरकतें, हवाओं से चुरा के लाऊं रंगतें, ना पूरी हो सकेगी उनसे मगर तेरी कमी, ये दुनिया पर आई है बस एक अपना है तू, जो सच है मेरा वो सवेरे का सबरा है तू, देखूंगा तेरा रास्ता, हो कुछ तुझे बस खुदा।
Wow, that was amazing. While preparing for your farewell and arranging things that would make you revisit the golden eventful days, we ourselves were left with tons of nostalgia even though we never attended an offline class till date. That quite clearly made us realize how much are you all gonna miss Rani Birla and your dear amigos. Now let's revisit through verses all your emotional roller coasters since the time you entered the gate of Rani Birla.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम सादिया खातून है और मैं जो आपको आगे सुनाने वाली हूँ आई होप आप सबको बहुत अच्छा लगे और आपकी कॉलेज की सारी यादें बिल्कुल ताज़ा हो जाएं। किसी मंजिल की फिक्र नहीं, फिक्र करने की उम्र नहीं। याद है वो सुबह जिस दिन कॉलेज का पहला दिन था, खुश भी थे, सहमे भी थे, पता नहीं था इस अनजान सी जगह क्या होगा। अभी अभी तो स्कूल ख़त्म ही हुआ था कि कॉलेज के नए सपने सजा रखे थे। अभी तो सुना ही था कि कॉलेज में ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है, पर आज हम उसे खुद महसूस करने वाले थे। सब नया नया सा लग रहा था, बिल्कुल वैसा जैसा सब कहते हैं। वो पल याद है जो पहली बार क्लास में जाकर बैठे थे, एक स्माइल थी चेहरे पे, वो फर्स्ट ईयर वाला ग्लो जो होता है। टीचर्स ने भी आकर डरा दिया था, जिसको सीनियर्स कहते थे कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है। एक जोश था कुछ करने का जो पता नहीं था आगे जाकर खत्म हो जाएगा। तब तो बिल्कुल अच्छे बन के जाते थे, पता नहीं था कि वक्त के साथ ये मोह भी खत्म हो जाएगा। बस कुछ दिन की बात थी, तो दोस्त भी अपनी जैसे मिले। थोड़े दिनों की घबराहट के बाद इस माहौल में हम सभी घुल मिल गए। क्लास में कम और बाहर ज़्यादा रहना होता था। टाइम से कॉलेज पहुंच भी गए तो क्लास में देर से ही पहुंचना होता था। 9:30 के क्लास में 10 बजे तक तो पहुंच ही जाते थे। कोई यार अपना प्रॉक्सी लगवा देता था अगर कभी नहीं जा पाते थे। क्लास को छोड़ के कहीं भी घूमे, चाहे कहीं बैठ ही जाए, बस क्लास में नहीं बैठना था। क्लास में बैठ के मस्तियाँ ही होती थी, हमें कौन सा पढ़ना था। 10 मिनट के अंदर रेडी होने का जादू यहाँ से सीखा। अटेंडेंस के लिए मेडिकल के जुगाड़ का एक से एक तरीका, एक साथ कई सारी चीज़ों को मैनेज करना सीखा है। चलती क्लास के बीच ही मूवी के प्लान बन जाते थे। किसी बोरिंग लेक्चर के लिए मास बंक का ख्याल आता था। सबसे ज़्यादा आज़ाद थे, मज़ा आता था, जी करिए आज़ाद। रात तो असाइनमेंट्स और प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाने में गुजरती थी। एग्ज़ाम से एक रात पहले ही तो अपनी सारी किताबें निकलती थी। फिर सिलेबस पूछना, इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर्स, इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बनाकर अटकते थे। मार्क्स की कोई टेंशन नहीं थी, बस पास होना बनता था। जो टॉप करता था उसकी कोई इज्जत नहीं, जिसकी बैक लगती थी वो चौड़ में घूमता था। क्लास में एक दो लोग ही पानी की बॉटल्स लेकर आते थे, वही बॉटल्स पूरे क्लास में घूमती थी। वो सबकी जान बन जाते थे, जो सबकी प्यास बुझाते थे। कैंटीन से लंच लाके बाहर थोड़ी खाना होता था, क्लास में लाके सीट के नीचे दबाकर बीच क्लास में दबाना होता था। प्रेजेंटेशन देते टाइम क्लास के सामने कितनी हालत खराब होती थी। टॉपिक के बारे में समझाने से ज्यादा तो स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी लगती थी। कॉरिडोर्स में घूमते घूमते थकते कहाँ थे हम, लाइब्रेरी में तो नज़ारे देखने जाते थे, पढ़ते कहाँ थे हम। बात बात में तो कॉलेज में फेस्ट होने लगते थे, उसके बीच में इंटरनल्स के यूनिट टेस्ट होने लगते थे। ट्यूटोरियल्स, इंटरनल्स और वाइवा का नाम दे दे कर हमसे क्या क्या करवाया जाता था। क्विज, प्रोजेक्ट्स, फाइल सब एक साथ बनवाया जाता था। ऐसा नहीं है कि हमसे बदतमीजी ही करते थे, टीचर्स के दिल से बहुत इज्जत भी करते थे। तभी तो वाइवा के वक्त क्लास में मौन व्रत ही होता था। बड़ों के सामने ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहिए, हमने भी शुरू से यही सीखा है। असाइनमेंट भी अपना आखिरी दिन ही सबमिट होता था। डरने की क्या ज़रूरत थी, यहाँ पीटीएम थोड़ी ना होता था। क्लास को तो पता नहीं चला, वो तो गॉसिप्स में ही निकल गई। धीरे धीरे भनक ही नहीं लगी, अपनी आदत इतनी ज़्यादा बदल गई। नोट्स बनाने की आदत ही भूल गए, मांगने की आदत जो लग गई थी। सब कुछ एक परिवार सा था, सबसे ऐसी दोस्ती जो हो गई थी। रोज अपने कॉलेज को क्या क्या नहीं कहा, बनता भी है इतना जुल्म जो वहाँ सहा। 75% अटेंडेंस बहुत तंग करती, इसी नियम ने जिंदगी को बहुत बेरंग कर रखी थी। कितनी कोशिश करते थे हम कि क्लास में ध्यान लगा सके, और टीचर्स भी अपना बेस्ट देते थे कि थोड़ा अच्छा पढ़ा सके, पर उस माहौल में कहाँ पढ़ा जाता था। लास्ट में तो यार अपना यूट्यूब ही काम आता था। फिर पता ही नहीं चला कि आखिरी साल कब आ गया। वक्त कितनी जल्दी निकल जाता है ना। अभी यहाँ आए थे और अभी जाना पड़ गया। कोविड के चक्कर में कॉलेज आना ही छूट गया, पर फिर भी लगने लगा जिम्मेदारियों का बोझ अब सर पे आने लगा है। बेफिक्र जिंदगी का जीने का समय अब आंखों के सामने से जाने लगा है। यहाँ से जाने का मन ही नहीं था, पर कॉलेज की जिंदगी अब खत्म होने लगी। अब आखिरी बार जब कॉलेज को देखा था, ऐसा लग रहा था कि कुछ मिल रहा था, कुछ खो रहा था, पर इसे इतनी जल्दी नहीं। तो ये कॉलेज अपना लगने लगा था और अभी यहाँ से जाना पड़ रहा था। सोच रहे थे कि अब क्या होगा, क्या कभी इन पागल दोस्तों से दोबारा मिल पाएंगे, क्या अपने इतने अच्छे टीचर्स को दोबारा देख पाएंगे। सब इधर उधर हो जाएंगे, शायद कुछ दोस्त रह भी जाएं, पर ऐसा बिल्कुल ऐसा मोमेंट दोबारा कहाँ बना पाए। अपने कॉलेज को कितना बुरा भला बोलते, आज उसी कॉलेज की बहुत याद आती है। अब जब उस रास्ते से गुजरते हैं ना, तो वो कॉलेज लाइफ वापस से पूरी जी ली जाती है। हम हमेशा से चाहते थे कि यहाँ से जल्दी से निकल जाए। अब ख्वाहिश करते हैं कि फिर से वो पल लौट आए। वो दोस्तों के साथ की हुई मस्तियाँ याद आती हैं, वो मौसम की बार बार हवाएं याद आती हैं, वो कॉलेज में की गई सारी हरकतें याद आती हैं, वो एग्ज़ाम्स से पहले की दुआएं याद आती हैं। कॉलेज का भी सपना था, फिर अपना हुआ, फिर पराया हो गया। आए थे यहाँ अनजान बनकर, फिर गए यहाँ से याद लेकर। जब देखा सारे पन्ने पलटकर, मज़ेदार था यार वो कॉलेज का सफर।
By seeing the comments, I believe somewhere deep inside, tears are welled up by now. আমি যত বলি তবে এবার যে যেতে হবে, আমি যত বলি তবে এবার যে যেতে হবে, দুয়ারে দাঁড়ায় বলে না না না, ও যে মানে না মানা, ও যে মানে না মানা। There are times like this in life when we want to hold on to something so dear to us, but the beginning of yet another beautiful journey compels us to bid farewell to the previous chapter.
मुझे माने ना माना आँखी फिराइले बोले ना 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 मुझे माने ना माना मुझे माने ना माना जो तू बोली लाई राते बोलिलो হয়েছে বাতে जो तू बोली লাই রাতে बोलिलो হয়েছে বাতে মুখ পানে চেয়ে বলে না 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 मुझे माने ना माना मुझे माने ना माना বিধুর বিকল হয়ে খেপা পবনে ফাগুন করিছে হাহা ফুলের বনে বিধুর বিকল হয়ে খেপা পবনে ফাগুন করিছে হাহা ফুলের বনে আমি যত বলি তবে এবার যে যেতে হবে আমি যত বলি তবে এবার যে যেতে হবে দুয়ারে দাঁড়ায় বলে না 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 मुझे माने ना माना मुझे माने ना माना आँखी फिराइले बोले ना 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 मुझे माने ना माना
What a lovely and relatable song for the day. कल खुशी से काटे होंगे तुमने पल, कल खुशी से काटे होंगे तुमने पल, याद करके रो दोगे तुम उन्हीं लम्हों को कल। ना दिखेगा टीचर्स का वो मुस्कुराता हुआ चेहरा, फिर लौट के आएगा नहीं वो पल सुनहरा। शुरू करो पढ़ना, बंद करो ये शरारत, शुरू करो पढ़ना, बंद करो ये शरारत, एग्जाम लिखने के बाद आने वाली है कयामत। हंसी मजाक के दिन हो जाएंगे फुर, कल होंगे ये दिल ना जाने कितने मिलो दूर। गुस्सा मुझ पे यारो मत होना, गुस्सा मुझ पे यारो मत होना, इस साल है मुझे भी रोना, पेश किया जाए हुजूरों को उन्हीं के प्यारे पल।
से हम जुदा ले चले सारे गम तेरे, खुश रहे यारा तू सदा। आओ आओगे फोन पे बुलाओगे, शाम की करारी चाय लबों से यूं पिलाओगे। ना आए हो ना आओगे, ना दिन ढले सताओगे, ना रात की शीली बारिश नींद में जगाओगे। दूर जाके भी मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। खुले है जो पल कहेगी नजर, लगता है अब है जाके हम। फिक्र जो थी पीछे रह गए, निकले उनसे आगे हम। हवा में बह रही है जिंदगी, ये हमसे कह रही है जिंदगी। ओहो अब तो जो भी हो सो हो। अच्छा चलता हूँ तो आओ में याद रखना, मेरे जिक्र का जुबा पे सुबात रखना। दिल के संदूकों में मेरे अच्छे काम रखना, चिट्ठी तारों पे भी मेरा तू सलाम रखना। सुनना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो, क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे। तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो, क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे। हमको मिले है आज ये घड़ियाँ नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से। अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं, नहीं 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 नहीं, कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं।
I believe every one of you is going to miss the times spent here and the people you left behind. A teacher does not replicate his or her image in the student, but molds the student into a person who can build his or her own image. A teacher sees unlimited possibilities in a student, a teacher to the world, but a hero to us. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step, says Lao Tzu. As you are ready to start a brand new journey of your life, who better to guide you than our dear teachers? So, sir, ma'am, may I now request you to address our beloved seniors.
I think SP and SD ma'am are already here. All right, I guess since I have unmuted myself, I'll just go ahead and say something. So first of all, I must tell you all that I'm extremely overwhelmed, and I must thank semester 2 for all the effort that they have put for this event. And it was really amazing that you, despite haven't even met semester 6, went ahead to organize this event. In fact, as far as I know, Sem 2 students have met each other only once. Well, maybe they have met otherwise, but as far as I'm aware, they have met themselves only once. And this was a really beautiful gesture, and I think it shows how people can come together even in these extremely hard times. And I could tell from the comments, semester 2, I'm addressing you. I could tell from the comments how your seniors appreciate your efforts. Really kudos to semester 2 for everything you have done for this event. And semester
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, and semester 6, we know it was heartbreaking for college life to have come to an end so abruptly. Obviously, none of you or even none of us expected that college would suddenly come to a halt for an indefinite period. In the past 1.5 year, I'm sure we have all experienced loss in some form or the other. For some, it was even worse. I'm aware of personal losses in many families, including students. But Friedrich Nietzsche once said, "Whatever doesn't kill you makes you stronger." I believe all of you and all of us, everyone, will emerge stronger out of this pandemic and everything else that is going on. So finally, ADB ma'am wasn't able to attend due to some prior engagement, and she asked me to convey her best wishes to you, Sem6. And obviously, from me, I wish you all the best for your studies, and more importantly, for your lives ahead. Right, girls? So SP and SD are also
Thank you,
here.
sir.
I'm sure they would like to say something to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Ma'am, would you like to present a few words?
Well, Shushmita, please go ahead.
No,
Shushmita,
Sharmila,
please.
No, it's
No,
okay.
no, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please.
Little did I, and I think none of us imagined that we will be meeting on this virtual platform for a virtual farewell to our outgoing batch. But as you know, things are not too usual over the past 1.5 years. But first of all, I must thank semester 2 for having organized this virtual farewell. Yes, as Sir said, it was really overwhelming, the whole program today. And for semester 6 students, it's really not a goodbye for you. You are part of the RBGC family, and our doors as well as our hearts are always open for you. You can come in anytime, any day. We are there for you. Since we've been together for the past 3 years, virtually or elsewise, okay? But as some of you were mentioning, I was just reminiscing, and I remember our classes in 311, especially our rehearsals for the play, The Refund. I'll never forget it. And thank you for making our teaching career a wonderful experience, for being there. And I think, yes, as Sir mentioned, the year has not been too good for some of us. But today, I wish you all the luck for your future, whatever you do. And I think, yes, we will overcome. Definitely one day, hum honge kamyab, and amra joy korbo nishchoy. Okay, and we will definitely move forward. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Shormila, interrupted you. Please continue.
No, not at all. Well, it was also an emotional journey for me as well. I was also very, very emotional because I was remembering the days we spent not only in the classroom but also outside the classroom.
the time that we spent organizing different events, the way you people first entered the class, and uh, it seems just yesterday that you were there as freshers, and now it's time for us not to say goodbye to you. I also definitely would like to thank the SEM2 students. Uh, they did an excellent job. And to the SEM6 students, as it has been said by sir and ma'am, we are always there for you. And you know that, right? We will be always there for you for whatever reason you need us, any moment, anytime. Wishing you best of luck for your, not only your studies, but for your future, everything that you do in life. I wish you all success. And I know last few months have been really tough for some of you, actually a bit for all of us, but we have been successfully passing these months, so we'll be doing for the time till this pandemic exists. So let's not be too emotional. Let's cheer this moment. Let's be happy for the efforts that the SEM2 students have put into preparing these videos for you. Yes, really, they have put their best efforts. I know that. I can vouch for that. And we'll be missing you a lot. I mean, each one of you, we will be missing you a lot. So I don't know whether it will be possible for you to come back. Things that get difficult for some time, but you are really welcome. Do come back once the college reopens. We'll love to meet you in person. I remember meeting some of you at college few months back, and I was telling you at that time that this is probably the end of your college life. Even I didn't know at that time that it will come out to be true. So, well, let's not be sorry about it, but do come back. I really want to meet you in person. I guess all of us, we would love to meet you in person. Do come back to the college. We will be really happy to meet you again. Okay, so best of luck for whatever you do in your life. Wish you all the success in life. Stay happy. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am,
you,
so
ma'am.
much, ma'am.
We will definitely come and meet all of you, ma'am, once everything gets normal.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, please do. Please do.
Thank you, teachers, for all your kind words. We know that a virtual farewell can rarely be at par with the farewell in the college campus. Yet we have put the best of our efforts to make this day a special one for you. Before we wrap up for the day, I would request the stars of our program today to share a few words with us, how you feel today, and if you could share some memorable events and incidents that you have spent in college. We would be glad to know about these beautiful memories and interact at least once with you before finally saying sayonara to all of you. Over to you, dear seniors. Please share some beautiful moments with us.
So I will go first.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, hello juniors, I am Ankita Bhalnovish, and hello all of my friends and teachers. First of all, I miss you all very much, and that we used to have in class and everything else, starting from studies and the things we used to discuss other than studies for the college programs and etc. So the memorable things that right now I can remember is from the week that we went drama competition. It was something really new for me, and I guess for all of us who were participants in that drama competition. So that was a really nice feeling. We went out, we did our parts and bits, and we won something. And it was a great memory there. And also inside our classroom, which was 311, it used to be something else.
we did not have a great canteen or etc. It was enough for us to like spend the entire day. And after that, when we were shifted to 307, it became very congested because we were many students and it was a really small class, and climbing up those stairs felt like you know what. We used to be so old. Exactly. Yeah, with no fan.
No, and then we used
And
to
fighting
fight
for the fan,
who will get the place in front of the fan.
For the
Like we
fan.
legit used
And
to
we
fight.
used to fight for the fan. We used to fight for the fan, stand fan.
Yes.
The
Yeah, we
main
used to fight
concern
for
of
the
us
fan. Like we
was
used
not
to
the
count
class.
5 minutes. Yeah, yes, Shruti,
Like
go ahead.
5 minutes each.
The main concern of us were in the classes.
एकदम time
But-
ধরে।
But মানে কে আগে মানে এই ক্লাসটা এবার ফ্রি আছে তো কোন পিরিয়ডে এবার কোথায় যাব এফবিবি যাব
Yes.
নাকি প্যান্টালুন্স ও মাই গড
Amazing.
Oh,
But
and
yeah,
I
it
remember
was a really important part of our college life.
and 307 going from 311 to 307 and then back again to 311 the cardio we had oh
my best memory will be
Yeah,
in the
it was a
9:30
very
class of
important
SB
part
ma'am
of our
entering at 10 a.m.
Also the washroom struggle.
Every day. So much we were like again.
Thanks to our teachers, they
Yeah,
allowed
that दिन तो
us even
Not
after 9:30.
every day, not every day.
Even after 9:30, the teachers allowed
Yeah.
us in the
Yeah,
class.
we were all-
I remember once entering SB ma'am's class at 10:15 and she just looked at me, she just come in. Like she has no other option.
And
She
she
was
was
like, given all
serious
the
enough. JB ma'am wouldn't have let you in. If you was lenient enough,
and then again for drama
she used to let us in.
do you remember for the drama the participants everyone would leave the class and say we have drama we have to practice and then go back to the roof and we just talk and just do nothing and then SB ma'am will come did you learn the dialogues no ma'am even 2 days before we didn't do anything before the drama.
But it was a
No, I remember one thing that is before the abrupt closing of our college life forever, the our college annual day celebration, because that was one of the I guess cultural program that we had. Yeah, I enjoyed it thoroughly, obviously, and also the new introduction of that I guess. Move out of the class any time and we used to get that was really I can't even explain. I need to get the attendance of the defense class, the attendance of the class, get the notes, everything. Used to get so haphazard.
And in the end we also had
fighting for
karate
everything. I guess
classes.
sometimes
Remember
the class
Tuesday?
quarrels were even fun.
karate class. Karate
Yeah,
or defense class? I
self-defense.
don't remember it exactly.
Self-defense.
Yes. Self-defense.
Also self-defense.
Class.
The previously we used to have this rule. I guess there was a rule in our college that we can't leave college for 2:30.
Before 2:30, right.
So we used to like
yes.
our
So
classes
we
used to
made-
get over by 12 or something, and we like did whatever we could so that we could like get
Yes.
away with this
No,
rule.
I remember all
And
of
we
us
did it.
sitting over there and not going anywhere unless the gates
We
were
were standing
open.
in front of the guard and we were like, we will go now only.
Yes.
Call whoever you want. And we were going back and forth to MD sir, then other teachers and SP ma'am. Oh my god.
Remember the petitions? We
Oh,
signed,
it was
Mane?
possible.
Need everybody
And they were
sign.
like, do something
Every
about it
department
now.
had to sign that.
And then we signed yes.
Oh god.
Every
I
department
still
signed
remember
it,
getting
and then
scolded by the
like
principal.
We were the first one to change the rule.
principal
Yes.
so many times. Yeah.
We would
Got
always meet the principal ma'am and then she'll be like, oh, come. again. This,
Like
I
again you have some problems again.
Oh my
अब क्या
god.
बदलना है तुम लोगों को?
Oh god.
It was nice. It was nice.
one.
And then
I
after
remember
changing the rule of the 2:30, then we just started bonding and we all bonded really well, and then we're like, I like to take it, right?
The problem was our whole first semester went. The problem was our whole first semester went introducing each other.
Yes.
You know, and then
we were all being coy and we didn't know each other.
Exactly.
How would a person turn out
And
to
then
be?
the whole second semester went like how the college works and how we will get used to it and changing everything in
Second
the
year
college.
changed the whole thing for us.
And from third semester, we were like, okay, this is our group, this is our friends, we'll hang out, we'll go there. We were accustomed to everything. And then suddenly,
after that,
what we thought was, 15 days
with
vacation.
one Saturday, one Saturday.
It was like, we were so happy. We have like 2 weeks of vacation, and then we never went to college back.
We went so much into that to make work our aspiration of college fest. We like worked so hard that this time we will have a college fest and everything. We went so ahead, and one fine day, all closed, all done.
We went to the mission for like getting permission or something, remember?
We did, but almost everything.
Yeah, we actually went to talk to the OC.
And then and it was closed. The college closed, and we went to the college official college day. One fine
And then
Saturday.
we would actually go around and ask for notes if we were not attending the class properly. Half of the time we were doing anything but studying.
Yes.
We would go
I was there in classes, always in the second bench. I were also there in the first bench all the time.
First bench is like
that
you
changed
stand
from
on
second semester.
Pen in your hand always.
That changed from second semester. You were consistent in the second. Second consistent.
Second bench forever.
আমি লামিয়া সোমশ্রী always পেছনে বসতাম.
No,
And sometimes when I used to get bored of the bench and I used to like আজকে fun করতে ইচ্ছা করছে, I was like লাস্টের দিকে যাই একটু সমস্যা
Ankita sitting in the back bench was like something happened.
And Ankita, remember,
Yeah,
every day we would come early to classes and then we'll like কবে কি হচ্ছে, বাসে কি হলো।
আরে আমরা একদিন সামনেও বসেছিলাম আমি।
কোনদিনও নয়।
Achievement.
first bench বসছি।
আরে
sociology classes. Oh my god.
সোশ্যালজি ক্লাসে নিজের থেকে উঠে সেকেন্ড বেঞ্চ ফার্স্ট বেঞ্চ পড়তাম কারণ ওখানে
SGR ma'am
তোকে
ছাড়বে না
পিছনে পুরো পিছনে
SGR ma'am to come to realize everybody like এখানে তুমি এখানে তুমি
Ankita Somashri not sitting together.
Shruti and Arunima also not sitting together. ADV classes talking.
Shruti and Arunima
corners. Bro, Somashri আর আমি ADV Vams classes.
Oh, Lamia, stand up. What is the meaning of your name?
Every question
ADV being curious.
Ask any question. Lamia, you tell. কথা বলছি
we would also imitate teachers and all. Whether after the class would get over, ADV miss Joshua khullo porlo Joshua abar lagalo girls dear lord girls.
All of them.
Is that so?
Yes, yeah.
Guys, remember watching teachers from the corridor?
No, I was saying something.
No, I was asking where you really imitate class?
No.
No,
ma'am, please repeat. I couldn't hear what you said.
No, ma'am, the innocent one.
I was asking were you really imitating us? Let us then have a glimpse of it.
No, ma'am.
No, we never used to do that.
Nobody's going to scold you today.
We were never part of it. You'll be shocked. Ma'am, you'll be shocked after what?
No, we can absorb any shock. Go ahead.
Ma'am, I remember very vividly when you came, that was our first day, and you came to the classroom and you said, I am your HOD. And then you introduced how the semester works, CBCS system, and then you suddenly said, okay, we don't know.
HOD at that. She was in semester 2.
No. ADB ম্যাম প্রথমে ছিল তারপরে এসপি ম্যাম হয়েছে
আমাদের আসার পর এসপি ম্যাম হয়ে গেছিল and then later
that ma'am will know that better than us
introduction class ADB ম্যাম ছিল
no এসপি ম্যাম ছিল I remember এসপি ম্যাম telling us that even if I remember SB ma'am telling us that even if you guys write for 15 marks answer and even if Shakespeare himself gets resurrected from the grave and writes your answer papers, you won't get more than 8. And I might sound the most brilliant answer will only get 8 marks, not more than that.
But we didn't have 50 marks answer.
But she was giving an example that day, and then everyone were looking at each other. Can we learn English honors ki holo?
তখন ম্যাম চশমা করে আসতো
হ্যাঁ
না
ম্যাম সব সময় তো চশমা পড়তো
Ma'am, yes, and thank you, SK ma'am, for always being there because we always used to run to
we would rely on SK ma'am immensely. Anything would happen and we'll go back to ma'am. Please help us, ma'am.
I remember interrupting her lunch. Like she was literally having lunch one day in the staff room and like, ma'am,
yes.
She literally like, can't you see I'm eating?
Shruti, you remember we were like, ma'am, we never used to go to the door. I was just 2 years older than through the window. We were like,
oh, okay.
What?
You were saying,
not
ma'am,
is
just 2 years older than us.
Oh God.
Is ma'am still there? Or she is like...
Yeah.
She's listening with her hands on her head.
Ma'am, I thought you gave up on
Yes, in complete shock.
Not at all. We'll miss you for all that.
Ma'am, but who all got the pictures from the trip?
We want that video. We want that video actually.
Those were like some hideous pictures.
I think sir can help you with that.
Yes, if everyone could please turn on their cameras. I think
yeah. Shumona is trying to say something. Ma'am,
I think if everyone could please turn on their cameras if possible, then it would come up to a great picture, I guess.
Yes, we are ready.
Like the rest of
Yes, please. Only we will meet.
Too many hideous lags.
I need a good picture.
না আমি আজকের জন্য আমি ড্রেসড আপ
কবে কলেজে যেতাম
আমি
me and Shruti used to travel from I don't know where 45 minutes
আমি এভাবে কলেজে যেতাম না
কলেজ
আমরা জাস্ট যা পেয়েছি তুলে পড়ে এসে যেতাম
9:30 এর ক্লাসে আমি তো ঘুম থেকে উঠতাম এখন তো বলতেই পারি আমি 9:30 এর ক্লাসে আমি ঘুম থেকে উঠতাম 9টার সময়
SD ma'am देखो again Sneha again Arunima, you guys are always late. Have some
class hole I wouldn't enter the class because I know আমাকে ঢুকতে দেবে না আরে শ্রুতি তো 1 ঘন্টা আগে এসে বসে থাকতো
জেবি ম্যাম শ্রুতি আর কখন এসে যেত I was like
আমি আগে Ankita exactly ঢুকতাম Ankita Shruti we would
নটা দড়ি আমি কলেজে
Shruti, remember watching BTS videos? Ankita, yes. ভাই লুকিয়ে স্ট্রিম করতাম লুকিয়ে স্ট্রিম কি সামনে রাউন্ড টেবিলে বসতাম আমরা সবাই
অঙ্কিতা আর আমি তো রোজ বলতাম ও আজকে বাসে এটা ঘটেছে জানিস এটা মানে সবাই ঘেমে ধাক্কাতে এসে উফ
ও গড
Acha, sorry to interrupt. Shumona, have you been able to take the pictures?
Pictures, we are we are
no,
also
ma'am.
people.
Shimona, have you been able to take the pictures?
Ma'am, I
9 of
think
us and no
RB
one
sir
else.
is recording the entire meet, so we can even take
Okay.
a screenshot.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, you also switch on your camera. We want to take a picture with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all the
Sure.
pictures. It's possible. I don't know whether
Am I
it is
visible?
visible or not in
Yes! Hi, ma'am!
my
Good to see you all after such a long time.
আরে লেআউটটা চেঞ্জ কর না চেঞ্জ কি করে করে আমি পারছি আরে আমি আমরা ধরে করতে পারি আরে লেআউট কোথায় চেঞ্জ করে আরে তিনটে ডট আছে
ওই তো অ্যাক্টিভিটিস আছে না নিচে চৌকো
টাইল্ড করি
বললাম তো আমি টেকনোলজি
পেজ পেজ
So please switch on your camera as well, sir.
मैम को तो मैम sir can you please
I
switch
think
on your
SD ma'am
camera
has to leave.
Where is SD ma'am?
SD ma'am
SD
had
ma'am
to leave
She
the
has
meeting.
excused
SD ma'am.
herself. Yeah.
Oh, अच्छा.
Nahid switch on your camera please switch on your camera
But Suhana,
I don't think so though.
sir is not switched on Priyanka are you taking picture
Child.
I am taking a screenshot. I'm taking a screenshot.
Yeah.
I will also clip
এই কেউ আমাকে ফটো পাঠাস
আরে গ্রুপে পাঠিয়ে দেবো
Okay, done.
yes ma'am
Bye.
বাই
Okay, so Shubhana,
Okay,
can
so
we,
yes, ma'am.
can we wrap
So
up?
yes, ma'am. So that was, I think, lots and lots of memories, and I think our seniors had a good day.
Great
so with
day.
That,
definitely
thank you so much. With that, we come to the end of this program.
A bit of refreshment from studies, I guess.
exactly
Yes, all right. And I must
Refreshment from
thank.
Godo এই তুই চুপ কর বাবা সারাক্ষণ পড়াশোনা
Finally, I must thank the teachers for all kinds of help and assistance, especially SP ma'am and RB sir, without whom perhaps we wouldn't be able to make this event a successful one. I'd also like to thank my classmates for putting up their dedicated performances. And last but not the least, I would like to thank our dear seniors who are embarking upon their future journey. I would like to wish them all the very best for their future endeavors. And once again, thank you all for gracing us with your presence. With the due permission of the teachers, we would wrap up for the day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
thank you so much
Thank you so much. It was amazing and you have a great voice,
I want to say
Shubhana.
something that is
Thank you so much. Thank you
and
so
everyone
much.
else.
Also, RB sir, can we get the video at the end?
Thank you.
Yes, I need the video. I think Shubhana can get that for us.
Yes, yes. If I get that, I'll. I think sir must be sending it to you. If not, I think I can.
Okay.
I mean, I do not have any interactions. I do not know personally any of you, so I'll still try.
I wish we knew you. You have a beautiful voice.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We can always catch up. You know.
Sure.
I really want to say thank you to Shumana and
Everyone.
so much effort
It
for
was a
us,
beautiful
not even
program.
knowing us. Like,
We're
thank
really
you so
glad
much.
that you liked it,
And
and
we also hope to know you like,
Someday.
sometimes again. Like, you know,
Yeah,
don't know
sure.
when, but someday.
And you all are so enthusiastic and have so many memories in just 3 semesters. It, you know, it really gives us, like, we now really miss going to college.
We were studs in our time.
Yes, you still are.
Don't say
So, sir, should we wrap up for the day?
I think sir has left the meeting.
No, sir is there. I think so.
No,
He's
sir
busy,
is
sir.
there.
Yes, girls, go ahead.
But we had a wonderful time.
Yes, girls, go
Alright,
ahead. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank
sir.
you so
Thank you,
much.
everyone.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.